Hello everyone! Welcome back to Dragonfish video tutorial series. In this episode, we will introduce how to activate the aircraft. First, power on the ground station. Then, the base station. And lastly, the aircraft. Click the settings button on the ground station screen and connect to a Wi-Fi connection or mobile hotspot. The base station and the aircraft have been paired together at the factory prior to shipping. Go to the settings menu in Autel Voyager app and find base station. Then connect the ground station with your base station and aircraft. Once connected, the activation page pops up automatically. For more videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Refer to the video description below for more information. And see you in the next one.